straight to the point because I'm at work right now. Yes, I do work from home. Los Angeles Archive said today that they will have something else dropping. It's gonna be a surprise. I'm wondering what this surprise is gonna be. I'm wondering, is it gonna be more Dove hoodies, denim jackets? What could it be? Could it be more Donda tees? Could it be, I don't know. I'm trying to think what it could be. Hit me up in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think they got planned for us. We do know the drop at right now is what, about 1:30 right now. So less than 2 hours, only an hour and a half away from the drop. We gonna see. I just wanted to make this quick video, man, let y'all know that they are planning to drop something else today. They did not say what it is, just that it's gonna be a little surprise. So get your pockets ready, get your wallets ready. Yeah, man, it's going down. We're gonna see, man. It seems like they trying to come for everybody's pockets today, man. They got 20 hoodies dropping, Hoover hoodies dropping, Hoover tees dropping, and now they talking about a little surprise too. Depending on what it is, it could make it a little easier for you to get your hands on the 20 hoodie. It might not. And there's also a chance that whatever the little surprise is something that you're gonna want more than the 20 hoodie. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. We just gonna see how it play out. Like I say, man, a little surprise dropping according to them today at 12 p.m. Pacific time, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm finna get up off of here, man, get back to work. I will holler at y'all later. I'm gonna try to drop something else tonight, man. I don't know, the easy part be making the videos, the hard part be editing, because I don't be wanting to just put dry videos. I be wanting to try to make them a little entertaining, so it be taking longer than I be expecting. So I might drop something tonight, hopefully I will. If not, I'm definitely getting at y'all tomorrow and early Saturday. So signing out, it's your boy, Mike Dub, AKA Don't Wait to Create. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on this video, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping these videos. The support is definitely much appreciated. And yeah, peace, love, I'm gone.